Hello everyone. Today we are going to know about CS Card Stripe Payment Gateway. With the help of this add-on, you can enable Stripe payment option for your CS cards too. Stripe Payment Gateway also accepts cards, Alipay and Bitcoins. For the online demonstration regarding the product, you can go to our Webcool store and click on demo button. And for the documentation regarding the same, please go through the user guide manual provided at the store. Let us now proceed towards the installation part of this add-on. This is my admin panel. Go to add-ons tab and click on manage add-ons. Now click on this plus button to upload and install a new add-on. Click on local and browse the zip file which have been provided to you by Webcool. Now click on upload and install. Once your Stripe Payment Gateway add-on has been installed successfully, you need to configure the settings of this add-on. Let us now search this add-on. This is my Stripe Payment Gateway installed add-on. To configure and manage, go to this settings drop-down and click on settings. Here you can view you need to enter test secret key, test publishable key, live secret key and live publishable key. To enable and avail the functionality of Stripe Payment Gateway, you need to enter these credentials which you will be getting from Stripe sign up. Let me show you how you can get these secret keys. This is my stripe.com account. You need to sign up for the Stripe account, and once it is done and you are logged in, go to your account section and click on account settings. Here you will be able to view various options. Go to these API keys option. Here you will be able to get the test secret keys, test publishable keys, live secret key and live publishable keys. These keys are mandatory to be filled to avail the Stripe Payment Gateway functionalities. Here you need to enter the keys from your sign up account. Let us copy paste the secret keys from here to the add-on settings. Next I need to enter the live secret key. Let us copy this and paste here. Next is live publishable keys. Let us copy it from here. And paste it here. The next option is to choose the mode. Here you can select the mode in which you want to check the Stripe Payment Gateway functionalities. Either you can select test mode or live mode. Let us for now select the test mode and click on save button. Once the settings are saved, let us now create a payment method for this Stripe payment option. For that you need to go to this administration tabs and click on payments method. Click on this plus button to add a new payment method. Here you need to give the name for the payment method. Let us give a name to be Stripe. Let me tell you one more thing. The Stripe Payment Gateway provides two types of processors. One is Stripe Payment Gateway and the other one is Stripe Payment Gateway Inline. The basic difference in this is Stripe Payment Gateway is for your checkout.js file, and inline Stripe Payment Gateway means that your checkout form, inline form will be generated at your website only. It will be more clear once you go through the further part of this video. Let us give a name here to be the Stripe Payment Gateway. Next you need to choose the processor for this payment gateway. Let us choose the Stripe Payment Gateway to be the processor. Next is template, which will be automatically picked by your CS card settings. Here you need to choose the payment category. You can choose any of these categories. Let us choose it to be credit card. By filling all these payment method creation formalities, you will be able to create a new payment method. Let us now click on this create button. Once your payment method is created, you can configure it from here. Going to the configure tab, here you will be able to view various options. The first one is choose default currency. Here you can choose the default currency for your Stripe payment method. Let us choose it to be the US dollar. The next option is to enable Bitcoin. If you want to enable the Bitcoin payment for your Stripe payment gateway, you can enable by selecting yes. Otherwise, you can choose no. The next option is to enable Alipay. If you want to enable Alipay, you can select yes. Otherwise, again no. The next option is to enable Alipay reusable. If you want to enable this, you can select yes over here. The next is Stripe response. If you want to get the Stripe response on every of your payments, you can enable the settings from here by selecting either yes or no. The next is to give the name to the company. Here you can give the name to the company which will be displayed on your checkout.js form. Let us give a name to be Webcool. Coming to the next option, which is company description. Here you can give the description of this particular company, any of the description. Next is to select the company logo. Here you can enter the URL for the logo of your company. The next is to choose the order status. Whenever there is a succeeded payment from the Stripe payment gateway, you can choose the order status to be open or any one of the statuses provided over here. Whenever there is a pending order status at your Stripe payment gateway end, you can choose the order status as per your desire. Similarly, you can choose for failed Stripe payment what will be the order status at your admin end. Once it is configured, click on Save button. Let us now create one more payment gateway for your inline Stripe payment option. Click on this plus button. Now give a name to the Stripe payment gateway option. Let us give Stripe payment inline. Next, you need to choose the processor for this. The processor for this will be Stripe payment gateway inline. The template will be automatically fetched. The next is you can choose payment category, and to configure this payment method, go to this configure tab. Again, you need to choose the default currency, Stripe response. If you want Stripe response from Stripe end, you can select yes, and here you need to choose the order status for succeeded Stripe payments, for pending payments, and for failed payments. Once it is configured, you need to click on create button. Here you will be able to view Stripe payment gateway and Stripe payment inline option have been created successfully and are in active state. Let us now view at the front end. Let us place an order and go to the checkout page. Click on this add to cart button. Go to checkout page. Continue with the shipping options. Here at the billing options, you will be able to view Stripe payment inline and Stripe payment gateway. Let us select Stripe payment inline first. The inline form for the Stripe payment will be popped up like this. You need to enter the card details over here to process the payment. Let us enter a demo card detail, CVV number, valid through, and this is how you can allow your customers to pay via Stripe payment account. Here you can give a name to the card holder. Once it is done, you need to submit the order. Let us now select the Stripe payment gateway for checkout.js and see whether what happens when a customer chooses this checkout.js file to submit his order. Once he select the Stripe.payment gateway, he need to submit his order. Then he'll be able to view that a JS script has been run and a form has been popped up where he can view the payment through card option, the payment through Alipay, and to Bitcoin. These are the options which will be available to the customer, and to this particular form company details will be listed like this webcool demo. Once he choose Bitcoin to pay his order, then his order will be placed via Bitcoins. Let us now get back to the admin panel. This is my admin panel. Go to orders and click on view orders. Click on the recent order placed. Here you will be able to view the order details. The method over here used for this particular payment is Stripe payment gateway, where you can view all the payment responses from the Stripe payment end. Now an admin can also have the privilege to refund the payment. He can either fully refund the payment or he has an option to refund the payment partially. He can enter amount for the payment to be refunded and click on partial refund. And refund will be done for this particular order to this customer ID. As you can see that refund amount is here 100. You can again enter some more amount and click on partial refund, and this is how you can refund the customer order amount partially. And to view these refund status and refund logs, go to this marketing tab and click on Stripe refund. Here all the Stripe refund logs will be listed for every return ID and transaction ID, and amount for refund will also be there. Now let us go to orders tab again and click on view orders and create a new order from backend. To do that, click on this plus button to add a new order. Click on add product and select the product from your storefront for the order to be placed, and click on add product and close. Here you need to choose the payment method, as here you can view all the payment methods have been listed. Select the Stripe payment gateway from backend and select the customer. And then create the order for this particular customer. Let us click on this create button. And this is how you can place an order via backend via a Stripe payment gateway option. This is how my CS card Stripe payment gateway works. This was all about my CS card Stripe payment gateway add-on. Thank you so much for watching.